Philips Hue is the best known Zigbee light range, but you don't need to buy a Philips Hue light strip for £70. Here I have two Zigbee light strips that work with the Philips Hue app, both RGBWW, that's an RGB LED with separate warm and cool white LEDs. The one on the left is a 5 volt at £28 and the one on the right is a 12 volt at £40. Add your light strip to the Philips Hue app. Simply open the Philips Hue app, click on Settings, choose Light Setup, click at the top Add Light, click Search, and the light strip should appear. You can now edit the name. And you can also change the icon. As you can see here, the center LED is the color RGB, on the left is the cool white LED, and on the right is the warm white LED. Okay Google, set light strip to red.
Alright, changing light strip to red.
Set light strip to green.
Sure, changing light strip to green.
Set light strip to blue.
Alright, changing light strip to blue.
Now we'll compare both light strips together. The GIDERWEL 12 volt is at the top and the 5 volt Gledopto is at the bottom. Both light strips produce the same amount of colour. The colours are very accurate and they are both roughly the same. The GIDERWEL, being a 12 volt, is a brighter light strip, but the GIDERWEL warm white is too yellow and the cool white is too blue. So it's hard to get a whiter colour, where on the other light strip it is easier to get a white light, and the warm and the cool whites are a better colour. Both these light strips are 2 meters, but you can cut both down to length. Just cut along those copper connectors so you can trim them to your required length. So that was a quick look at these 2 light strips and comparing together. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments below.